Lesson 2, Part 1. Differentiating between local and global variables. This lesson discusses the use of local variables versus global document variables. Global variables are accessible by all functions loaded within a document or drawing. These variables may retain their value after the program that defines them completes. Sometimes this is what you want. You'll see an example of this later in the tutorial. Local variables retain their value only as long as the function that defines them is running. After the function finishes running, the local variable values are automatically discarded and the system reclaims the memory space the variable used. This is known as automatic garbage collection and is a feature of most Lisp development environments, such as Visual Lisp. Local variables use memory more efficiently than global variables. So we got function A, set local variable, set local variable, set local variable, set global variable. Function B run that, print local variable, nil, print, function C, print, whenever, and come back here, print bool, print global variable, whenever. Another big advantage is that local variables make it easy to debug and maintain your applications. With global variables, you are never sure when or in which function the variable value might be modified. With your local variables, you do not have as far to chase. You usually end up with fewer side effects, such as one part of the program affecting a variable from another part of the program. Because the advantages cited, this tutorial uses local variable almost exclusively. Note that if you have been working with AutoLISP for some time, you may have developed the practice of using global variables using development to examine your program while you are building it. This practice is no longer necessary given the powerful debugging tools of Visual Lisp. So that's it for differentiating between local and global variables. Lesson 2, Part 1.